Yeah. Good morning to Silencer from Manage. I am thankful to Manage for giving to opportunity for deliver the success story from Kavardha district. I am also thankful to Dr. Deepti Jha, Madam, coordinator and as well as nodal officer Samiti IGKB Raipur STRY for giving to opportunity present here in success story. First, we have details in Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Sir, Krishi Vigyan Kendra established in 2008 in Kavardha district. After that, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kavardha, we have tried to demonstrate various on-farm trial, FLD training, as well as seed production program in farmers field, a rural youth training program, Kisan Mela, various program conduct from 2008 to now till date, Krishi Vigyan Kendra. I am also very close work with the line showing up paddy, beets and chickpea, as well as we have promote to broadbed furrow seedlings in soybean as well as chickpea crops integrated disease management in soybean, chickpea. We have also promote new improved variety of soybean and chickpea as well as sugarcane crops in Chhattisgarh, Kavardha district. I am also established 10 successful integrated farming system model as farmers field for the livelihood security of rural youth as well as rural farmers. I am also delivered one message to 75,000 farmers in each week we have covered through KMS Kisan Mobile Sandesh. Apart from this, various Kisan Mela, Kisan Sangoshti, as well as in service training program organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kavardha for the livelihood security of the farmers. They are the integrated farming system modules we have established in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kavardha for the demonstration purpose because farmers day by day coming in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra and shown the technology adopt the technology on the village level. In the Krishi Vigyan Kendra IFS model, you see in the mushroom production unit, dairy unit, vermicompost units, as well as poultry unit also. These are the mushroom unit and poultry unit, nursery unit established in Krishi Vigyan Kendra and nursery unit also established is at Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And same unit we have also established in the 10 farmers field for the rural livelihood, for the security of rural livelihood. And now we have come to the details of STRA training program. We have organized various training program under the supervision of Director Extension Services IGK Devi Raipur. Various topics we have allotted from the manage. We have conduct wonderful training program, various topic. Out of them, one training program we have conducted in mushroom production technique in 2020 to 21. uh, we have covered 24 topic during this training program. First is present status of prospect of mushroom production in Chhattisgarh, importance of mushroom during importance of mushroom. We have nutritional importance of mushroom, daily life, production technology of oyster mushroom, production technology of paddy straw mushroom, technique of producing commercial mushroom spawn, fungal contamination uncounted during mushroom production, insect pests and their management during the mushroom production, or variety of oyster mushroom and identification of its. Another topic we have also covered production technique of button mushroom, identify a good quality of mushroom spawn and storage, preparation of paver culture of different mushroom, economics of oyster mushroom cultivation, and project preparation, identify of poisonous and beneficial mushroom also we have covered during the practical as well as theory classes. And other topic we have covered environmental condition influence mushroom production, preparation of mushroom mother edible mushroom diversity in India and Chhattisgarh, economics important of mushroom and tribal community and their identify features, economics and marketing of mushroom products. These are all 24 topics we have covered in the training program mushroom production technology, and our 9 expert trainers we have delivered the various lectures for the benefits of our STRY beneficiaries. Before go to deliver the presentation of our one STRY beneficiary, Mr. Balak Das, one good documentary covered by DDG News. We have played just you can see the documentary of Mr. Balak Das. who have trained STRY training in Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kavardha with the coordination of Director Extension IGKB Raipur. Please listen, I will see the
अगर व्यक्ति में काम करने और मेहनत करने की ललक हो तो अपनी बुद्धि के बल पर अपने कार्य को नया आयाम देकर लाखों रुपए आय प्राप्त की जा सकती है। जी हाँ, ऐसा ही गढ़वाल के कबीरधाम जिले के बोरला में एक बेरोजगार युवक बालक दास ने कर दिखाया है, जिन्होंने अपने हुनर और शासकीय सहायता से मशरूम का उत्पादन कर अपनी आय को चौगुना कर दिया है और स्वयं आर्थिक रूप से सुदृढ़ होने के साथ साथ अपने क्षेत्र के बेरोजगार युवकों को भी मशरूम के उत्पादन की कला सिखाकर उनको स्वरोजगार प्रदान कर बेरोजगार युवकों को एक नई दिशा प्रदान की है।
छोटा सा ही दुकान था फोटो फ्रेमिंग का, जो मेरा उतना आय नहीं हो रहा था। मेरे को घर में बहुत थोड़ा परेशानी हो रहा था, अच्छा खासा नहीं चल रहा था। अब जो है मैं पार्ट टाइम में मशरूम का खेती कर रहा हूँ, तो अच्छा खासा बच्चे लोग को भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ और जो है अच्छा संस्कार दे रहा हूँ और दूसरे को भी इसका सीख दे रहा हूँ। मशरूम उत्पादन एक ऐसा चीज़ है, लग्जरी काम है, उतना मगजमारी वाला काम नहीं है कि आपको कोई भी मिट्टी में जाना है, कोई भी पानी में भीगना है, कोई भी सर्दी में धूप में, ये घर बैठा वाला काम है।
दरअसल बालक दास की बोरला में फोटो फ्रेमिंग की एक छोटी सी दुकान थी, जिसमें अधिक आय अर्जित नहीं हो पा रही थी, जिसके कारण उसको अपने परिवार के पालन पोषण के लिए आर्थिक परेशानियों से जूझना पड़ रहा था। एक दिन बालक दास ने कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र में कुछ दिनों का मशरूम उत्पादन का प्रशिक्षण लिया और स्वयं के घर पर मशरूम उत्पादन का कार्य प्रारंभ किया और अपने हुनर और मेहनत के दम पर अपनी आय को प्रति माह, जो पहले केवल 4 से 5 हजार थी, उससे बढ़ाकर लगातार 2 वर्षों से प्रति माह 40 से 50 हजार रुपयों की आमदनी प्राप्त कर रहा है और साथ ही साथ अंचल के बेरोजगारों को मशरूम उत्पादन के लिए प्रशिक्षण भी प्रदान कर रहा है, ताकि बेरोजगार युवक स्वरोजगार के माध्यम से आर्थिक आय प्राप्त कर सकें।
आप 5,000 से स्टार्टिंग कर सकते हैं। 5,000 से स्टार्टिंग करके 2 महीने के अंदर में 15 से 20 हज़ार कमा सकते हैं, 10 बाई 15 की जगह में। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको जो है पूरा सामान प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं, सामान प्रोवाइड करते हैं, गाइडलाइंस करते हैं, उनका माल जो है हम लोग ले लेते हैं और लेके जो है आगे हम लोग सप्लाई कर देते हैं।
पूरे भारत में मशरूम की बहुत मांग है। वैसे तो भारत में लगभग 2000 प्रकार के मशरूम पाए जाते हैं, जिसमें ज्यादातर खाने के काम में आते हैं, परंतु कुछ जंगली मशरूम जहरीले भी होते हैं, जो कि शरीर के लिए हानिकारक होते हैं। वो 4 प्रकार के मशरूम का उत्पादन करते हैं, जिसमें बटन, आयस्टर, प्रेडी और मिल्की मशरूम की ही मुख्यतः उत्पादन होती है। इन मशरूमों को बाजार में 200 से 400 रुपए तक प्रति किलो के भाव से बेचा जाता है। मशरूम का उत्पादन कम लागत में अधिक आय प्राप्त करने का एक अच्छा माध्यम है। बालक दास ने अपनी सूझबूझ से अन्य युवाओं को भी समृद्धि का एक रास्ता दिखाया है।
If you see in the video of documentary of Mr. Balak Das, sir, Balak Das before production of mushroom, he has working a small shop for photo framing. After they have taken the STRY training program in Krishi Vigyan Kendra, start the mushroom production in 2021, and now a day they have gained more than 2,50,000 rupees in round the year roughly. We have data collect from the Balak Das. For intervention, they have got only 24,000 in round the year through photo framing swap. After that, they have start the oyster mushroom as well as milky mushroom. Oyster mushroom is very easy for growing the each and every farmer, but milky mushroom as well as button mushroom very tough job, because they during in button mushroom preparation of casing is very technical parts, but they have take wonderful training in Krishi Vigyan Kendra. After learn the trainings, they start the oyster mushroom, milky mushroom, paddy mushroom as well as button mushroom, and around the year they produce the various type of mushroom in their own farm, own house, and grant the generate 2,50,000 in round the years. They are learning from this base training program at this by the rural youth production technique of oyster mushroom, production technology of paddy and button mushroom, environment condition influence mushroom cultivation, entrepreneurship development through mushroom cultivation among the rural housing. They are also preparation of compost of the button mushroom for button mushroom. Paddy straw mushroom production during June to September. Value addition of the market plus surplus mushroom through preparation of pickles, body mushroom powder, dry mushroom, etc. Impact the adopt the good production technology of the mushroom by the Balak Das came to learn about the paddy straw mushroom through bad methods, value added product preparation of the mushroom, and low cost mushroom spawn produce. He has also produced various uh, varieties of the mushroom, and also nowadays Balak Das to start the training program to be in rural areas and provide to training to various SHGs as well as entrepreneurship for development of your own farms. Mr. Balak Das to 20 to 25 SHG start the ester mushroom after he has provide the training. Now it's self-prepare compost and butter mushroom production. Also start butter mushroom production in own as well as he has start the various trainees who has gained the knowledge from Balak Das. After KBK Kavardha also, sir, we have trained 22 SHG in various training program. We have received from the Atari as well as ICR in conduct the training program. 22 SHG trained for the mushroom production technique. If you see the various SHG details, and mushroom production in total 5 crops they have produced in each and every SHG and got it more than one crop return 12,000 and total one SHG got net return 36,500 and total 50% they have consumed in total overall SHG, one SHG 10 members included, and 50% they have sold to market for gain the extra income. These are the photograph of our SHG engage in mushroom production technique. We have provided the training programs in KBK. After that, they start the mushroom production in own level and consume also mushroom as surplus mushroom they sold in market. There are also various photograph. You can see the SHG activities. They also produce pickles as well as others uh, byproduct from the mushroom, oyster mushroom, etc. Thanks a lot, sir.